Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to use your Nexus card at the airport in 2025. If you're a frequent traveler between the US and Canada, the Nexus card is your golden ticket to faster, smoother border crossings. With new tech updates rolling out in 2025, it's easier than ever to breeze through security. Let's break it down step by step so you can feel confident and prepared for your next trip. First off, what's a Nexus card? It's a trusted traveler program by U.S. Customs and Border Protection and Canada Border Services Agency that lets pre-approved members skip the long lines. In 2025, expect enhanced biometric features like facial recognition and mobile app integration to make things even quicker. Step 1. Before you head to the airport, make sure your Nexus card is up to date. Download the latest app on your smartphone for real-time status checks and digital verification. Arrive at the airport with your passport and Nexus card ready. Aim to get there early to account for any surprises. Once you're at the airport, head straight to the Nexus lane. Scan your card at the dedicated kiosk. In 2025, you'll likely use a touchless scanner or your phone's app to verify your identity quickly. Follow the on-screen prompts to answer a few questions about your trip, like your destination and items you're carrying. This usually takes less than a minute. After the kiosk, proceed to the border officer. They'll double-check your info, but with your trusted status, it's often just a quick chat. Remember, always be honest and have your documents handy. If everything checks out, you're good to go. No more waiting in those endless queues. A few pro tips for 2025. Keep an eye on app updates for any new requirements, like additional health declarations. If you encounter any issues, like a card reader malfunction, politely ask for assistance from airport staff. And don't forget, the Nexus card isn't just for airports, it's great for land and sea borders too. There you have it. Using your Nexus card in 2025 is straightforward and a total game changer for travel. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.